If you are looking for the best plasma lighter, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Tesla Coil Lighters USB Rechargeable Windproof Arc Lighter. What if you had an affordable lighting option that can offer you up to 300 lights when fully charged? In addition to being windproof, the Tesla Coil lighter will offer you just that. On average, a fully charged unit can serve throughout the week. This plasma lighter is rechargeable. In this regard, you can use any USB port to recharge your light wherever you are. With an arc length of 5 mm, this lighter weighs 3 ounces. The product features a simple press button that makes it easy to turn on and off. Number 2. Saberlight Sparq Rechargeable Plasma Beam Lighter. Having been re-engineered and redesigned, the new Sparq lighter may be used to light almost anything. The revolutionary plasma beam lighter uses plasma wave technology. This allows the unit to produce a hotter flame, hence makes it easier for you to light up different materials. Again, the unit is rechargeable and features a long-lasting lithium-ion battery. In this regard, a fully charged will give you up to 300 lights. This makes things a lot easier. Just recharge, click throughout the week and then recharge again. Number 3. Ralix Electronic Lighter Single Arc Flameless Plasma. If you are looking for a luxury product with impeccable visual aesthetics instead, the Ralix Electronic Lighter will come in handy. Being a luxury product, the lighter features a quality zinc alloy construction. This gives the unit a sturdy, yet elegant design that is friendly to the environment. As compared to the relatively cheaper plasma lighters, this lighter will never melt or fall apart as time goes by. Additionally, you will find this lighter very convenient. The Ralix electronic lighter is USB rechargeable. When fully charged, the unit can give you up to 300 sparks. Number 4. HaloVa Arc Lighter USB Rechargeable Lighter. You'll surely fall in love with HaloVa Arc Lighter due to an outstanding and marvelous design made of zinc alloy. It has single arc module which generates the most powerful state of matter as soon as you press the ignition button. One full recharge takes 1.5 hours and empowers 300 uses, which is more than enough to take benefits for a week or two. Keep in mind, because of the shiny and glassy surface, it's easily vulnerable to scratches. So, you should handle HaloVa electric lighter with care. Number 5. Bolt Electric Plasma Dual Arc Lighter. It is one of the most versatile, long-lasting and safest plasma lighter available today. As a matter of fact, the unit uses state-of-the-art technology in its functioning. In this regard, the product is designed to produce its 2 electro-plasma arcs from opposing poles. This may be used to light up anything that can fit between its poles, including slim-size cigars, cigarettes and candles. As opposed to butane-based lighters that need to be refilled every now and then, this unit is USB rechargeable. Once fully charged, Bolt lighter can last up to 3 hours of use.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.